Now, as we know, automation has been advancing, and in the last few years, it's advanced even quicker again. But as automation advances, then people supplying into that industry also need to adapt to the new demands. Well, today I'm visiting Patlite. Patlite started in 1947. It's a name that many of us are familiar with. 1,000 employees worldwide. But bringing all of this up to date now, I am actually visiting Patlite UK, which formed in 2022. Very pleased to be with Mr. Calum O'Connell. So Calum, I need to ask, what is it that Patlite UK offer?
Yes, thanks for visiting us today, Andrew. Patlite are manufacturers of signalling devices, as you know, and we most recently came into the UK as a direct business, and we're obviously selling the Patlite products.
Yes.
Our bread and butter is the signal towers, as you can see there. We also have revolving beacons, multi-function beacons, just simple 2-channel beacons. We also have some of our network product range as well, where we have lots of different ways of connecting to our devices, signal towers, multicolour beacons, etc. This means we have USB, as we have here, IO Link. We also have a signal tower or a smart light, which is over Ethernet, which is power over Ethernet. And what it basically shows is our unique selling point, which is the many different ways of connectivity that we can utilise with our products, in enabling us to solve lots of different applications with customers.
Okay, so obviously this display is very attractive, but this is a lot more than just flashing lights.
Yeah.
You know, we're talking about really serious issues that these potentially prevent.
Of course.
I mean, do you feel that the products really have an important role to play?
Yeah, of course. So I like to think of it in the way of like the human body. You've got the PLC, which is the brain, or you've got your eyes, which are like the sensors. But we have to express ourselves in many different ways as well,
Yeah.
which means that the machine has to do that also. So for it to be safe, it needs to be able to say or to show that something needs to stop.
Right.
That's done, and that's enabled with visual products, signalling devices, and also audible products as well.
Okay, understood. Now, you have a fantastic distributor network in the UK. You've got some great distributors who have been selling your products now for some time from that side. What's really the advantage of coming to Patlite UK in conjunction with your distributors?
Yeah, so we've had 3 of our channels before I came and we set up this direct channel, Patlite UK. Motion 29, Lenza and RS, who have done a fabulous job in promoting Patlite products from the start.
Yeah.
Now, since I joined, we've added extra channels, Le Monde, Kempston Controls, and most recently LC Automation,
Right.
who we work quite closely with. And this means that you have that direct person who is creating brand awareness, who's able to work with you in the local market to really show the customers the products and really to make more people aware of Patlite, because we really do fit into the market really nicely. And
Okay.
we want to promote that.
Okay, I understood. So would you say then that the advantage is that you can talk directly, you can maybe help with unusual applications that might be out of the ordinary?
Yeah, of course. So with our network range, we have a product range which is like data analytics, it's overall equipment effectiveness. We're able to monitor the signal towers to get extra data out of them quite simply. But this takes time to do site surveys, to work with the customer to find out their real needs, especially with the distributors who are also selling these similar products to us directly with the customer.
Okay, understood. Okay, so people watching the video today, where do they go? Where can they find out more about Patlite UK?
So if you go to any one of our Patlite websites, but mainly .com, you'll find that we have a page where you can find all our contact details on, distributors, our office details and number.
Okay.
Everything you can find is there.
That'd be great. Well, thanks ever so much. It's a really good insight into what you offer, but also why you offer these products as well. And obviously giving that reassurance that viewers that maybe are dealing with issues, there's someone that they can talk to directly about this area. So I really appreciate that, Calum. So if you're watching this today and you'd like to find out more, as usual, all the information will be on the final screen. And also, it might be a case that this is a product you'll maybe want to introduce. So why not contact Calum and the team at Patlite and see how they can help you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.